Hello, dear colleagues, this is an unedited video of a mature cataract. Surface wash has been given. Now we are going to start the surgery. The main incision in this case is at around 11 o'clock. Another incision, a side port incision, is made at 8 o'clock, and one more paracentesis incision is made at 1:30 o'clock. Now a big air bubble is injected into the anterior chamber, and trypan blue dye is sprayed over the surface of the anterior lens capsule. I do not want this dye to come in contact with the corneal endothelium. That's why I put a big air bubble. Now the trypan blue dye is washed out and viscoelastic substance is injected into the anterior chamber. This is 2% HPMC. Now capsulorhexis is to be done. I usually use a 26 gauge bent cystitome to incise the capsule, and as I incise this capsule, nothing comes out, no oily fluid, nothing comes out. So this is a non-intumescent cataract. So I plan the rhexis, optimum sized rhexis, like this. Rhexis is done, little bit of hydro is done, nucleus is not rotated because I know that it will rotate. Now I go into the anterior chamber with the tip of the Phaco handpiece. I have planned direct chop in this case. The superficial lens matter is aspirated. The tip of the handpiece is embedded, and this is the fast chop. The nucleus is rotated, and this is another chop. This free nuclear fragment is emulsified and removed. This is not free. One more chop is made, and this fragment is emulsified and taken out. Another chop. In this way, the nucleus is emulsified and taken out. At this time, the power was 70%, flow rate 45, and vacuum 450. This is the last nuclear fragment. It is emulsified and taken out. Now viscoelastic substance is injected, a little bit of it, and I clean the cortical matter with a direct Simcoe cannula. This is a 23 gauge direct Simcoe cannula. Goes easily through the side ports. In this case, I am using bimanual IA to remove the cortical matter from 10 o'clock. This is an unedited video. I believe that we can follow each step if we watch unedited videos. Even if we do some mistake, that has to be shown to encourage the viewer. Now the cortical matter is cleaned up. Viscoelastic substance is injected into the anterior chamber. The main incision is enlarged to 3 mm and a hydrophobic acrylic intraocular lens is injected into the anterior chamber, into the capsular bag. The lens is dialed to a desired position. And now we have to clean this viscoelastic substance. Some viscoelastic substance is removed by pressing the posterior lip of the wound. Now I flash out the viscoelastic substance from the anterior chamber. Now
the story is centuries deep.
Now I go behind the IOL and flush out the viscoelastic substance from the capsular bag. Thorough cleaning of the viscoelastic substance is mandatory to prevent postoperative rise of intraocular pressure. So the viscoelastic substance is removed. Now a little bit of moxifloxacin is injected. The side ports are hydrated with BSS. I use a 27 gauge cannula to hydrate the stab incisions. Now I give a final wash. I watch under higher magnification if there is anything left inside the anterior chamber. Do some more cleaning behind the IOL. That's it. The case is done. We just have to make the incisions watertight. Thank you very much for watching.